Hare Krishna, dear devotees, please accept my humble obeisances and all glories to Prabhupada. I think after a long time I am coming online to show you the progress of the temple. In fact, actually, now many devotees are asking, Prabhu, how is the status? What's going on? We want to see the latest pictures. So many people ask me because we were at the different project of prasadam distribution every day. I was busy in that, making it steady. By Jagannath mercy, now we are in the position of feeding people every day, about 150 people. And so now I am going to show the temple tour. This is actually long pending video. Actually, I was talking about this before 2 months or 2 months, yeah, 2 or 3 months. So I was talking, but now I think I want to show you the tour of the temple. We are going around the whole temple to see the different areas. Yeah, before that we'll start with this. This is the main road. I don't know whether you can see. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, you can see that near that tamarind tree. So that is the point where we give a prasadam distribution every day. So we take prasadam from the kitchen, we walk all the way, carry this, and then actually we just distribute the. Yes. So now I'm going to see. You can see the temple at the back. Temple at the back, 2 floors completed. Now we'll go. This is rainy season here, so that's why like everywhere is actually water. Yeah, but once we make a foundation in all the places, then this place will become much more neater and easier to work with. Okay, now let us go inside the temple. You can see water is stagnant everywhere. You have to be careful while walking. It is slippery. I tell you again, actually this is not going to be very clean because the work is still going on. Hope you understand. Actually we have painted all the place. It's actually pure white color. Now it has become, like dirty because we are making that next floor. We'll go up and see. This is the main entrance for now, and future it will be the entrance from the car parking. Okay, this is the veranda portico. And here we have one room. So here we have one room, if you can see. This is actually going to be a conference room in the future, but at present we are using this to store all the cement. So because to save the cement from the rain, we are using this. But once the 3rd floor construction is finished, this will be the conference room for actually explaining the project to the donors and everybody. So here we have a staircase going up to the temple. Guru Puja is going on. We'll go on shortly and join there. And this is actually toilets. We have 2 toilets here. See, it is open to the sky. It is open to the sky. That is why we can see the waters everywhere. But once we finish actually the 3rd floor that is going on now, then we will completely arrest it. Now we will go to that kitchen. Okay, now this is the storeroom. Here is the treasure. Here we have the treasure. We have the racks to place Srila Prabhupada books. So we have all the books here, and then few utensils also, and the plates for prasadam distribution. And these are all books of Srila Prabhupada, arranged with different languages. These are all English, and these are all Hindi and Tamil. These are all Tamil books, and this is actually a storeroom. And now we are entering the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Shanti Mataji is making prasadam. Hare Krishna. She is making prasadam, breakfast prasadam for the deities. This is a kitchen, and we have a good ventilation. We have 1, 2, 3 windows, and we have 1 exhaust point, and there is 2 exhaust points. One we are using, and another one we will be using shortly. This is to make dosa. So this is actually we can make dosa for the Lordship. So this is that stove we use for that free food distribution, and this is the patra. We cook for about 150 people every day. We have 2 washing points. We have 2 washing points. and there is no light here. So this is actually a storeroom, but now we are not using it because of the water is actually dripping from actually the lift pit. So now we are using it as a storeroom because the third floor work is going on. Because the third floor work is going on, so the water is coming down. So we just vacated the storeroom for the kitchen. So after 1 week we'll start using it. Then the kitchen will become much more cleaner. So this is actually a entering now. This is the multi-purpose hall. So this is multi-purpose hall because in normal days we use as a dining hall. On the other days, this will be festival time. It will be used as the extension of the kitchen. It is a prasadam we keep here. Because it is rainy season, the devotees are hanging their clothes inside. But cannot help it. So this cupboard is made to keep the patras for use for outside patras. Like outside transferring patras. But it is not effectively started using this place yet. So this is, we have one plug point here. And we will be having a television here, and this will be used as the Bhakta Prahlad school for Sunday school. So where we will be educating the children about Krishna consciousness and teaching them various. For now we are doing it in the temple hall, but in future this will be the place for educating the children on the Sundays. So now we'll just exit. Once we exit here, then you can see the Goshala is ready. The Goshala is ready, the ramp is also ready, waiting for the cows to come. Yeah. And this place looks very messy now, because this looks very messy, but this is going to be a beautiful garden very shortly. And we are waiting to make a compound because the cows from neighborhood, they are coming and eating all our plants. So we are not doing any plantation now. We are about to start. We were about to start actually the plantation, but we are about to start actually the making of the compound. But one day before we start, that rain started, so we could not do this. So we're waiting for the rain to complete. Then we'll make the compound wall. Then we'll start the plantation. We have so far about 10 coconut trees and about 8 to 10 banana trees, and we have pumpkins also. So this is the thing. So this is actually this is another storeroom, but at present it is used by Shanti Mataji. Okay, Guru Puja is going on. I think it has just completed. Let us quickly go to the temple hall and have darshan of the deities. Jai Srila Prabhupada. See, we have not made the marbles, we have not put the granites for the staircase yet. Even though we have purchased, we have not put yet because the work is still going on. We just want to finish another floor. That is why we have not done. So now we are entering the temple hall. You see, we have made all this on the wall. I think I've showed you all this before. This is the temple entrance. Temple entrance, we are entering the temple now. Here is our beloved spiritual master, his divine grace. Sri Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada. Jai Prabhupada. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Preshthaya Nikaleshwari Vedanta Swami Nidhi Saraswati Gauravani Pachari Nevadi Pashada Vishya. Guru Puja has just completed. So take darshan of the lotus feet of Srila Prabhupada. So this is the asana for Prabhupada. Now let us go take darshan of Jagannath. Jai Jagannath. I go from far. This is the overall view of the altar, and we have a door on my right side. So for the pujari to enter that deity room. Take Darshan of the Sampradaya Acharyas, Srila Prabhupada. Gaurnitai, Yashoda Damodar, Jai Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, here is Radha Vedapurishwar. So this is actually exit for the pujari to go behind for washing pots and deity rooms, everything. We have a deity fridge. We have actually one cupboard for keeping the frequently used items. We have 1, 2, 3 doors, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 windows in the temple hall. So it is very spacious, and you can see the walls. Ajanya Mataji and Aravinda Prabhu, they are doing the kirtan. Daughter is sleeping. She came for Mangalarti and then she is sleeping. So now we will just go to that balcony. There is a balcony to go behind the altar. Tulsi Maharani is here. Jai Tulsi Maharani ki jai. This is behind the altar. My Prabhu is just finished the deity worship and is cleaning all the vessels. This is the deity room. This is the deity room. We keep all the deity paraphernalia here. We have a few shelves, cabinets to keep all the deity paraphernalia. As I've discussed, actually this is not actually the permanent temple. This is kitchen, future kitchen, and deity room is also a part of balcony. So until the temple construction is finished, and this is going to be a temple. So balcony continues, then actually you can come through this door. Okay, speakers. You can see all the walls, the ceilings. Ajanya Mataji is here. Aravinda Prabhu. So then, this is actually an entrance. What you see just now is actually it's an entrance to go to the future. The building that is supposed to be constructed. So this path, this way, this door, after the completion of the upcoming building, this will be the entrance for the dining hall. And this is the office room. And it's actually office room, and devotees also keep their things here because the Brahmachari ashram, is supposed to be on top. It's not ready yet. So devotees also keep their mat and everything here. Of course, the work is not completed. Now we have to adjust. Whatever we have, we are actually, this is my table. So we are doing some austerity, we are adjusting things, especially Aravinda Prabhu and other devotees. So now we go above and do the future work that we are going to do. Now we are going to the third floor. 2 floors completed. Now we are going to the third floor. The work is going on. So it won't be very clean at all. It will be very dirty. But I want to show you. So now actually the pillars are all erected. All the columns are ready. We just need to keep. We have to make the ceiling now. So the work will be starting by Monday. By Monday we'll start making actually the ceiling. It will take about 2-3 weeks to complete. So you see all the columns, they're getting cured. We actually cover the sacks and pour water in the morning and night. So this is the beautiful view from top. Actually, early mornings about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, we can hear the sound of peacocks. A lot of peacocks are here, and especially during this time. Let me show you, then I talk. You can see the Goshala, our Goshala. You can see the ramp also. You can see the ramp. Its work is going on. So this is how the cow goes up, and we can accommodate about 16 cows here. You can also have a look at our banana trees, and all the three sides we have vacant land. In future, we can always use them. Yeah, but actually early morning, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, we can actually hear the peacocks, there. You can hear peacock sound. That reminds me of Vrindavan, especially Indra Prabhu Kirtan, like the peacock sound. It will be like that. And apart from that, during this rainy season, we get a lot of birds from different parts of the world. Especially the birds come from Australia. Many birds come from Australia and different part of the world, because we have a beautiful lake opposite. It's called Usudu Lake. Usudu Lake, we have a lot of birds come from around the world. So it will be a beautiful time to be here. So this is what going on now, and this will be whatever we are making now going to be the ashram, and also accommodation for the Matajis, Shanti Mataji and Ajanya Mataji, and then it is also accommodation for Nimai Prabhu and his family. So this is what we are doing now, but in future this will be the hostel and the Brahmachari ashram. For now we are using it for our need, but actually this is for the hostel and then Brahmachari ashram. This is the purpose of the floor. Yeah, that's it. So thank you very much, everyone. So the ceiling work is going to start, the third floor. Just for the ceiling, we will need actually about 8 lakhs to complete the ceiling. Definitely, so far we have raised only about 2.5 lakhs. So still we need about 6 lakh rupees to do the ceiling. Then after the ceiling, we need to make the partition. We need to make actually the flooring and all. So much of work is there. And after that, after the rainy season completed, by February, February, we will be the actual temple foundation. You can see here the actual temple foundation, and that will cost at least about 50 lakhs minimum. 50 lakhs it will cost just for that. We have no money, but we have the richest person, Jagannath, with us. So the Jagannath knows how to build his house. So we are just running here and there and talking to people and making videos and uploading. But essentially, Krishna is sanctioning this. So we thank all the donors who are watching this, and we request your support more, at least for 3-4 years until we complete the project. You can spend some money, 3-4 years. You can reserve some money for this wonderful project, and this will be the wonderful preaching point where Srila Prabhupada glories are broadcast and Krishna's message is conveyed to everybody. Thank you very much for watching again. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hari Bol.